So, hello everyone. Today we have a job update from CSA Group and it is an intern, that is a technician role. So, the job location is Bangalore and you can see that the employment status is student and it is a fixed term. So, it is an internship, so it will be in a fixed term. Then, if we scroll down, we can actually look at the job summary, that is simply the job responsibilities. So you will be doing the setup and operating all the test equipment and performing the test within the certain product area. And you will be performing the test in the accordance with the work orders that is issued by the job holders, and you will conduct the routine test and act as assistant in the complex or unusual test. And you should be doing it under the guidance from the senior staff or the job holder. Then you will record the technical data, draft the technical result report. You will perform the mathematical calculation that is required to summarize the test results, and then you will assemble and deassemble the test samples and hook up the laboratory test equipment in the preparation for testing and operate the most laboratory testing equipment. So this role basically tells you about you will be operating things like some machines, you will be taking that to a certain area, you will be working on it, you will be testing it under the guidance of the senior staff or the job holders, and you will be doing the mathematical calculations. Actually, you will do all these things. And then if you look into the education and experience, you should be from a final year degree or a diploma engineering students, or you could have completed a bachelor's degree or diploma in electronics, electrical engineering, or a related discipline. So if it is a final year, you should be from the 2025 graduate, and if you have completed, it can be like 2024 and 2023 batches. Then here they are telling that only the candidates who is available for the full time in office internships can apply for this role. So you should go to the office and work for this role. That's all about this role. If you are interested, you can apply for this role. If you are looking for a core job in your domain, that is electronics, electrical engineering, or a related field, if you are looking for a core job, this is a right opportunity. Don't miss it out, because they are hiring someone who is actually pursuing the final year and also someone who has completed their graduation. So it would be a right opportunity where you will do the internship, and if you perform well, you might get a full-time conversion to this role. So don't forget to apply, do it as soon as possible, because they might close this anytime. And then if you have any queries, please let us know in the comment section. And also, if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it to your friends.